Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick check on all the fluids in the Jimny, just a general check. So I thought I'd make a video, just to show those people who are quite new to cars what you can check for, I guess. So the first thing I'm going to check is the engine oil. That's the dipstick. I always carry a cloth in my glove box, so I'll show you. Make sure the engine is cold. It's not hot, at least. So we'll just put it back in here, and now you'll see that level is okay. So there's two holes, there's a minimum and a maximum, so it's just around the maximum, and so that's fine. But just a little bit more about the engine oil. You should get it changed, once a year or 15,000 K. Some people do it sooner, but when you do get the whole oil change, remember to also change the oil filter at the same time. Yeah, so let's get to the next one. So the second thing I always check is the brake fluid reservoir. This is also the clutch fluid if you have a manual transmission. So in the clutch, fluid is supplied by the brake fluid reservoir. So you can see there's a minimum and there's a maximum line, and to replace it, always use a, see here, .3. so if it's low, top it up with .3. You can use .4 as well, but I'll always go for the whatever the manufacturer recommends. Cool. Number 3, I always check the coolant, and like I said, I do this once a month, if that, but never open it when it's hot. So make sure the car's cooled down. You can open it and you can have a look. So yep, it's full. I can see it. I'll show you the tank, so you don't always have to open that. I just open it just to check if I can see it at the top. See, there's a low and a full, and it's in the middle. So if it does go towards a little lower and you don't have any antifreeze coolant, you can add it with water. It's okay, but I will always recommend getting the proper coolant. So this one's blue, so I'd get a blue coolant, definitely, which is what Suzuki recommends in the manual for the Jimny. Cool. So I also do a check on the windshield water fluid. Now this doesn't affect your car's performance at all, but it is important to check it and make sure it's filled for your safety. Now I do recommend, you can always get premix ones. There's not a particular Suzuki type, you can just get generic ones. You can even make your own windscreen washer fluid if you know how to. I just recommend getting the premix ones because they're pretty cheap. So the level, you can see it's pretty much filled up. So this is something I also check. The other thing I always check in all my cars, but I don't have to in the Jimny, is the power steering fluid. Because the Jimny, the JB74, the new ones, the power steering is electric assisted, so you don't have to check that. The other thing you can check, not as a general, but once in a blue moon, you need to check there's the transmission oil, but that requires removing the plug hole plugs and etc. So anyway, these are the general checks I normally do before you drive off, and very easy and very quick to check. So yeah guys, that's it. That's what I normally do just for general fluid checks. And if you guys do any other checks around the engine bay, just let me know. And thanks for watching. I'll be uploading more videos on the Jimny. I've got some new accessories on the way and more ideas. So yeah, thank you for watching.